So let's try. Bismillah. It's so yummy. So for this recipe, I take carrot first. I take about 10-12 carrots, but it's up to you what amount you want to use. So I'm gonna peel them first. I'm using this double-sided peeler, which work amazing for me. So you can see, look, you can buy the link is in my basket. You can buy this peeler and it's work amazingly. All double-sided because you can see, look, and it will make your work faster. So for this peeler, the link is in my basket and you can see how good it works. Look, okay. And it's double-sided, so it will go up and down and peel your whatever you want to peel. It can peel even aubergine. Can you see? It will make dark thin. Watch, okay? It literally making dark thin. It's so good for the salad. So this is the peeler. The link is in my bio. And let me cut all the carrot for this recipe. So all my carrots are peeled now. And now I'm gonna cut it with my Nakano knife, which is another thing. It's my best knife. It's knife for life. Cut the carrot in the middle. Okay, like that. It will be like this, okay? No thicker than that and no thinner than that. The slice should be like that for this recipe, okay? So let's slice. All my carrot are nicely cut, one size. And now I'm gonna add it to the pan and also add 1 cup water and cook until it's boiled. So let's make other things ready. White vinegar, around 1 cup. Sriracha sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Mix achar, just 1 tablespoon. You can use any achar. I love Ahmed achar. The link is in my bio. I'm using tajin masala, but you can use any mixed spices. Teaspoon. Black pepper, roughly about 1 teaspoon. Salt according to your taste. Give a good mix. Now few cloves of garlic, and for this gadget, the link is in my basket. Okay, and it's work so nicely. You can see, look. So sometimes I just don't want to wash my grinder and a garlic mixer or whatever. So this is easy for me to use it, wash it, and that's it. So I'm using about 4 cloves. Mix it. I'll cut coriander on top, but really thin, like that. I literally use bullet chili in each of every my recipe. So cut it in the middle, then cut it once again, and then just a big slice like that, just like that, okay? I'm adding about 6. And now my green little chili, just really thin, about 3. So my carrot is boiled. It's like, you know, like half cooked. No. So I'm gonna rinse that and come back. So my carrot is rinsed, and this is my grill tray, which I recently bought it, and I'm cooking everything on that. So I'm gonna spread my carrot on this. It's worked for me as a grill, as a steak pan, everything. I literally cook everything now. So basically just put this tray on your hob or on your cooker and just make everything on top. So it's my grill tray so that my carrot is properly dry. In 2 minutes, without any oven, my carrots are dry. So let's do our next step. Again, I bought this machine. It's like, you know, spice mixer, but it works so good. So I bought it again from the TikTok. The link is in my basket. And let's mix some spice. So for this recipe, I'm always using Hira. So this is Hira 5 spice, which is really good for the achar. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, but I make sure I put the link in my bio, and it's work amazingly for any achar recipe. I add about say half a cup. I add. Just in few seconds. Look. So this machine is amazing. Go for it. The link is in my basket. So the masala is ready. I'm gonna bring my bowl back. So bowl is back here. I'm gonna add this masala. No all, okay? Just about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Give a good mix. Now it's time to mix our but make sure cool down the tray first, okay? And now give a good mix. This is my little masala box, and again the link is in my bio. I bought it from the TikTok shop. So add just a little bit black pepper, again chili flakes, as much as you want. If you want too hot, put too much, otherwise less, and a little bit paprika for the color. And I always put a little bit ajwain, but it's up to you. If you don't want it, don't. And just a bit cumin seed, that's all. And now top of that, some more white vinegar. You can also use brown vinegar, but I only like white vinegar. And now give a good mix. Is ready. Let's put it in our container where you can keep this for good 1 month. If you keep it, but just keep it dry, okay? Don't put any wet spoon in it, and it's gonna be like more than 1 month. So I always make this recipe for Ramadan. Oh, my mouth is watery, and it'll last for the whole Ramadan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's try. So I always keep it in this. My mom gave me that, and it's so beautiful. When she came to UK, she bought me this for my achar.